Hello, this is a code walkthrough video for data analytics fall 2022. And this is the final project code. I am using a Google Colab. Okay, so here on the left, you can see the table of contents. It's pretty well organized, I think. Okay, so this is the rubric. Okay, so the first thing is importing the libraries. So for this project, it was mainly done using sklearn. So I'm pandas for the data frames. Yeah. Okay, and this is the custom functions that I defined that I use later in the code. So this is all mean functions. Okay, so here I'm loading the dataset. The dataset is saved in my Google Drive. It's a 4.5 CSV file. And here I'm just seeing where are the columns. And here I am filtering for the column, for the rows that have the utilities, and the other ones I am dropping. So here is the dataset being displayed. Here I'm just checking if there are any missing values. There are some here, but it's not, there are not that many, so it's not the end of the world. Okay, so to clean the data, I had to drop basically all the other columns except the date. And here I just changed the name. I'm dropping the other columns because they are not the scalar, but they are just text. So here is. And then, yeah, so here I'm just converting to datetime format. Here I am create a new column named happened, and it will with value 1. And here I am adding dates to the dataset. So I am adding the dates that are in between the dates of the actual cyber attacks. So for example, if there is one cyber attack on the beginning and end of the month, this will fill the other remaining 28 days. Yes. So here is happened 1 and 0, happened or not happened, and then so this code was modified by me, and this one was modified. So here I'm just creating new features from the actual date, just to give some more information to the model, right? So I'm creating new column month, day, work day, weekday, week of month, weekday order, and they are going into the dataset. So here's the dataset after being cleaned and everything. And here I'm just plotting when there are not utilities cyber attack events. Okay, so here I am just splitting the dataset. So here test is 0.3, 30%, and the test and the train is 70%. So here's the train, here's the Y train. Here I am creating the dataset for future events. So I'm trying to predict the events for 1 year. So here I'm just creating that. I'm creating that new year in a new dataset, and I am filling that with the days that correspond to that dataset. So this dataset is called xpredict. So here is, and here I am assigning the dates and creating this Y test to differentiate them from the others. I'm setting the index to date, and I see the shape. Okay, so all that was the data, here, data, clean the data and explore the data. So now to the actual model. So I have 3 models: XGBoost, k-nearest neighbors, and random forest. So for XGBoost, so this code here, sorry, I forgot to say that all this code from here, this was done by me from scratch. This code, I modified it. So mainly I modified these grid parameters. So here, the XGB, the metric is just trying to get the optimal hyperparameters for the actual XGBoost model. So here just trying the hyperparameters, and here it's telling me what are the best parameters according to this gradient. Okay, so here I just modified the hyperparameters. So here are the hyperparameters that I got from here. Okay, so and here I'm just doing the prediction, saving the prediction in XGB prediction. And then here, this code, I also modified this code for my dataset. I'm just looking at the learning rate. And this is the confusion metrics for the XGBoost prediction. So here, it's saving the matrix and the prediction and the Y test. So here are the results. All this code I modified from the original. And okay, so this is the prediction. So here's the prediction for the XGBoost. And this code I did for myself. This is the performance metrics, also from sklearn. So this is sklearn, this is sklearn. And yeah, so here they are, performance metrics. So I mean, these ones are the best that I found. And then, okay, so the second model is k-nearest neighbors. These are the hyperparameters. These are the basic ones. This is the prediction. Also confusion matrix from using the prediction. And this is the actual prediction. Here is the confusion matrix. Again. And these are the performance metrics. Again, so also I did this code. And now finally the third model is random forest. This is the number of trees, the depth of the tree, and the random state is just like a random number generator feed. And so here's the prediction. And yeah, this is the confusion metric for the prediction, and here is the for the training, and here's the actual prediction and the confusion metrics and the performance metrics. Yes, so that is the end of the code. Yes, so yeah, I think it's pretty has a pretty good flow. Otherwise, you can just check here to see what is going on. And yeah, thank you for watching.